Okay, this is the solutions for day 16. I only had one question asked, which was number 6. Number 6 says, since January 1980, the population of the city of Brownville has grown according to the mathematical model 720,500 times 1.0022 to the x, where x is the number of years since January 1980. Well, I only gave you information on money. In fact, I told you that we were going to do populations and didn't do one. But if you remember, I gave you 3 equations. A, the beginning amount, is equal to A sub 0, or the P, the principal, the beginning amount, times 1 plus R raised to the T. That's simple interest. Compounded interest is A is equal to P, the principal, 1 plus R over N, the number of compoundings, raised to the NT. And the third was for continuous compounding. A is equal to P times E to the RT. All right, all 3 can be used for interest: simple interest, compounded continuous. The only thing is you cannot compound populations. So these 2 are out if you're talking about bacteria, people, or anything like that. So we're stuck with this equation. So A asks, well, what is this number 720,500? Well, that's my beginning amount. So that would be the population in January of 1980. Your beginning amount. Okay. Then it says, well, what's this number 1.022? Well, look where it came from. It comes from 1 plus the rate. Well, that would be 1 plus 0.022. So we're going to call this our growth rate, or the 0.022 becomes 2.2%. So the population is growing at a rate of 2.2% every year. Okay, B says then, what is the population in the year 2000 if the growth continues at the same rate? So we're going to assume this rate continues. Well, 2000 minus 1980 is going to equal 20 years. So that's my T, or in this case, my X. So I'm going to go with Y equals 720,500 times that same 1.022 raised to the 20. And if you do it in your calculator right, you do this with the caret with the 20, multiply it by that number. I come up with 1,113,402 people, or the population. All right, I'll let you try C for yourself, and I'll post the picture of that up on Google Classroom tomorrow.